Hi, Daniel here from Ablestar. I hope you had a good holiday season and thanks for tuning in to another round of product updates. This month we've been busy and we were able to add two features that have been heavily requested. The first is the ability to add product options to a bunch of products at the same time, and the second is to bulk edit variant images. In addition to that, we take advantage of the slower period during the holidays to make some infrastructure improvements to make sure that everything continues to run smoothly for you. Let's get started. One feature we've had lots of requests for is the ability to bulk add product options. So for example, this shoe has a size option, but we'd like to add another option, say material, to this and a bunch of other shoes. To do that, we can go over to Ablestar and we'll click on Start and In-App Edit. From here, we'll go to a pre-saved search that we have. And one thing I recommend is to filter for the option 1 name in your search just to make sure that you're getting the products you want. Then we'll go over to Edit Products. Under Field to Edit, we now have this Add Product option, and we can type in the option name, material, and say the value, in our case, leather. In the preview down below, we can see that before we just had the size option, but now we have size and material. And then we just need to click Run Edit. The app will go through, make those changes, and you can preview any of these by just clicking on it, scrolling down here, and you see that now it has a size and material. If you do need to add other values to the product option, you can go to Clone, which creates a copy of the search, click on Edit Products, and instead of choosing the Add Product option, just choose the Add Variants option. That's all there is to it. That's how you can quickly add product options to a bunch of products at the same time. Another feature we've had lots of requests for is the ability to bulk edit product variant images. You can now do that through the app as well. So if we have a series of products here, we can do a filter for a specific option 1 value. In this case, we'll say where the option 1, which is a size in our case, is equal to 10.5. And we'll see that that pulls out one variant for all these products. Now we go over to Edit Products, Field to Edit. We have variant image, and now we can either set or remove that variant image. For the image URL, that can either be a URL from your store or from another store, another website. What we can do is go over to the content section and go to files. And if we copy the link to our URL, we can just paste that in here. And then we'll see that this image will be added to all the different variants. The way the app works is it will link the image to all the products, so it will not create duplicate ones in the files section. But if you go here, you'll now see that the 10.5 variant has that image. And if we click on that, we can see that it says the same file name that we referenced here. We can also just double check that by seeing that the file is now linked to 16 products. So that's a quick way you can assign product variant images to a bunch of products in bulk, and you can also remove them if you need to with the other action that we have there. Well, those are the two big updates that we have from this month. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we also made some back-end changes that hopefully won't be visible to you guys over the holidays. These include upgrading our servers to support the increased usage that we've had, as well as updating the UI libraries that we're using for our different apps. Again, all these should be invisible to you. The only possible side effect you might notice is that things run a little bit faster or hopefully a little bit smoother. That's all we have time for this month though, but thanks for watching and we hope to catch you again in February. Have a good one.